Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Riddle's trying to...
Welcome to our video.
Welcome to the video. Today we're doing a Scentsy Whiff Box unboxing.
Okay, yeah.
So it always comes with a little pamphlet. Bake up some fun. You gotta leave stuff in there, hold on. So, this has a recipe for vanilla bean buttercream sugar cookies and then little gift tags.
Yum, cookies.
There's always some kind of like little activity you can do with that.
So
Ooh, what's this? Oh, how cute!
That's so cute.
They're little Scentsy star cookie cutters to go along with the cookies. That's awesome.
We can use that for pancakes.
Yeah, we've used them to make pancakes too. Okay, first item, Almond Croissant. I bet that smells amazing. I love the smell of almond.
Or myself.
Yeah, you could smell it through the thing. That smells really good.
Cute.
Also have baked apple pie. That's a fan favorite. That was always so popular whenever I sold Scentsy.
Yeah.
That smelled good. Also have cinnamon buttercream. Ooh,
I like
smell
it.
it.
Yeah.
That one smells really good. I like
Can
that.
we sell one of these?
Yeah, I love the samples. Do you want to see if there's any more in there? This one is Icicles and Evergreen. If it smells like Christmas tree, I will love it. If I can get it open. Oh yeah, it smells like a Christmas tree. That's one of my favorite scents. Evergreen trees.
I love that scent.
Also have a scent circle in sugar cookie. We're using the pumpkin one currently in the car from last month. If this is an evergreen one, I'm going to be so sad because I just bought one of these. What scent is this?
So cool.
Scent. What is it? It is vanilla bean buttercream. Okay, cool.
I want to sell that one.
See what the flower looks like. I think there's different flowers you can get.
I think I can sell it.
Isn't that pretty?
I really want to sell the flower.
And then you just stick it in there. And these last a really long time and they're very fragrant. The flower doesn't smell yet. You can look at it though. So yeah, that's what we got in our box this month.
Can I take it, put it in?
In just a minute. So yeah, if you guys would like to join, I'll put a link to the girl that I order from if you want to use that link. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
The mail lady is here.